got the sanitary tool, open the lid. So 24 ounces of part A,
Yep.
and then go up to 32 with the second part. Okay. So 24, right? You said. Which is as long as the line is full, regular production, this should fit. So 24.
Can I see that?
And 8.
Right.
And it's 30. So I'll take this bucket over. Joy, you and I are gonna refill the fluid. I'm gonna let you do the procedural steps on this help. Okay? Okay, so what are we doing first?
Yeah, outlet pressure here.
Yep. So fluid pressure off, very good. What's next?
Main pressure off.
Yeah. Very good. Pressure off.
Yeah, up on that side. You want to turn there.
So just get. We're gonna wait till this goes down to 0 psi. And we don't have to rush things. You know, again, we're not production. We're gonna work safe, consistently, but fine. So once it's almost down to 0, we can start to unlock these. So unlocking, just regular screws. So then what we're going to do is, I'm going to lift this up. We're going to take the bucket out that's in here, put the leftover stuff in here, pull this blue bucket in here. Just get some of the drain out. Make sure that this tube goes into the bucket. It almost always should, but just to be sure. And we're gonna line up this horseshoe with this clamp. Okay, copper. Good idea to have somebody else check it, just to be sure. And we want to close the bleeder valve, so we have to screw it out all the way. Okay, so then it's a reverse procedure. So this one you always close first, open last. Yep. So label here too. So first you open this, you do it nice and slow. We're trying to avoid any bubbles being created if we go too fast. You'll hear some air rushing in. You might hear some squealing depending on how quick or how slow you are. We got pressure here. Yep. So now we can open this valve up. Same thing. Just going to do it nice and slow. Okay, so this part is set for at least the next 2 cycles.
You bet.
So sometimes it's set for a while. Debris on. There's like a tape on the floor, so probably go another 6 inches. Yeah. So usually, yeah. That's good. Keep going. That's good. Stop. And bring it down a couple inches. 4. Okay, right there's good. Pull people down.
Okay, voice shot there.
Yeah.
So you hit timer 1, enter, and then both buttons to reset. Oh, enter. And then hour and 30. And that's for your pot life.
Yeah. Okay. So because the door was open, we're gonna press the offense reset here again. Right. So we want to turn this orange light off. To do that, we have to turn the teach fan on, exit out production, turn it back on right away. and we can press reset. So they no longer have names on it, it's just dash. Okay? So it's still fence open. What does fence open mean?
Safety circuits.
Okay, you gotta have the refence, the fence reset. Okay, then we had reset, the fence reset. Okay, then we had reset. So either the door isn't closed or
Are you trying to get the all light on?
we cleared all the faults with automatic mode. We are not in production. For paint robots, we have to be in production mode. So just pressing cycle start won't do anything. Okay, we have to press a cycle start on the robot controller to put it in the production mode, to have this production symbol come on and have the orange light come on. Okay. So over on the main controller, the top cabinet, lift the cover, press cycle start. And unlike our systems, nothing is going to happen.
No light up.
It'll light up the orange light, but robot won't start running. After a line change, just because there might be a few bubbles in here, we want to do a quick line fill. Okay? What this does is job 1021, and I'll show you how to enter that. What it's going to do is going to bring the robot over the bucket, open the fluid valve only for 10 seconds, and then go back home. Okay? Then in order to run the production job 1-1, the queue doesn't clear unless you take it out of production. So you're going to take the teach pin, turn it on, turn it back off, press cycle start again, and enter job 1-1. Okay? So go ahead and press the U3, that opens up the job queue. Then you have to press F4 insert, and you type in 1021. Then you press return. Now you put in for the color. It's always color 1. So type in 1, and press return. So now it'll show up here. Now you press the cycle start button. It's going to bring the robot over. What we're looking for is that this is a nice solid stream of liquid, no sputtering, no bubbles, none of that. Production job. We have to clear the queue out. The only way to do that is to clear the job queue is to turn the teach pin on, take it out of production mode, turn it back on, press the reset button, and now we have to go press the cycle start in the top cabinet again. So now we're back to production mode. So now, how did you enter the job queue? Do you remember?
U3.
U3. Press U3, and the production job is job 1, color 1. So type in 1, enter, and then F4 insert,
Insert.
then 1, enter, and color 1, enter. Okay, so now the job is in the queue. Job 1 is production, and color 1 is always the same for us. Now we're in production mode, no faults, everything is good. Now we can press the cycle start button. So when I press this guy is going to start and go through its whole cycle in days. So you want to hit watch the air, the clear coating coming out. Alright,
Okay,
so 15 minutes have passed.
Yeah, and this is the second spray, so you can see we're in production mode still. There's no alarms. We're on job 1 and then color 1. So it's okay to just start the machine again. You don't need to go through all the other steps. And the cycle starts right over here. Green button. Actually, well, that's that. And now we're running.
Second coat.
I keep my hand on emergency stop just for a second. Once it turns, I let off. There's a pin right here. Pull that out. You're trying to lift up on here.
So you said there's Oh, pins that just comes up over.
Guide pins in the back of the. So there's a hole right here, and as long as the pins in the back are lined up, this should line up.